morning, Miss Warren.
How are you guys?
Good.
Are you guys ready to learn a new lesson?
Yeah.
Okay, so on the board, as you can see here, we have two pretty big words. I'm not sure how to pronounce them, so which one of you wants to help me? Okay, Calvin.
Quantitative and qualitative.
Okay, so does anyone know what those two are? Yes, Jeannie.
Doesn't it deal with like words and numbers?
Exactly, pretty much. So qualitative has to do with observations that you use your senses. So that would be sight, smell, touch, hearing, and taste. And quantitative is a bit harder. It's things that you can measure. So instruments such as a ruler, a beaker, and a thermometer. So a couple examples of things around the class would be this marker is green. Would that be qualitative or quantitative? Yes, Cassie.
Qualitative.
Okay, because you could see that it's green, right? So can someone help me think of an example for quantitative? Yes, Jamie?
The length of the board?
Oh, that's a good one. Does anyone want to help me find it? Okay, Calvin. Here. So we have measuring tape. So you're going to physically see how long the board is. So the board is 3 feet and 4 inches. Thank you. Okay, so that would be quantitative. Let's see. Jamie, can you think of an example of qualitative now?
My shirt is gray.
That's a good one. So what about quantitative? Cassie.
This pencil is 7 centimeters.
No, that's qualitative.
No.
Yes, obviously.
No.
Why isn't it qualitative? Yes, Jean.
Because you're measuring it. You need a ruler to measure it.
Oh, that's right. Measuring is quantitative. You guys are so smart. Okay, so that was a really good example. So let's do about 2 more examples of each, and then I'm going to pass out a worksheet that you guys are going to do for homework. All right? So Calvin, tell me an example of qualitative.
My pants are gray.
Good. That was a good one. And quantitative, let's see, I'll think of an example. Today, it's 80 degrees outside. So that's temperature. So you guys would use a thermometer to see that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you guys think you got this?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. Let me pass out your worksheet. One for you.
Thank you.
For you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so on the worksheet, you guys make sure to put your name, the date, and the period. You're going to do 1 through 10. Qualitative would be a check mark. And quantitative would be an X. So let's do a quick example of number 1. It tastes sweet. Would that be qualitative or quantitative? Yes, Cal.
Qualitative.
Qualitative? Okay, that would be right. So you have 1 right for your homework already. And the last 2 are examples of qualitative and quantitative. We used a couple in class and you guys thought of really good ones, so that shouldn't be too hard for you guys. So let's do next class. Okay, so I made up a little cheer for you guys to help you remember. All right? So it's going to be, we're going to cross out the itative because both of them have it. And we're just going to use qual and quan, okay? Can you guys remember that?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to do qual equals senses